Hey, I'm going to show you how you create a video with thumbnail and text in a few seconds using ChatGPT. And you're going to need 3 plugins. So let's go over to ChatGPT. Let's go over to the plugin store right here, plugins, and I've downloaded CapCut, Canva, and Wikipedia. So you'll see here, tools you'll need is Wikipedia for the text, CapCut for the video, Canva for the thumbnail. Then in this order, we're going to grab this. So we're going to say to ChatGPT, write me some text about North Bay Plumbers using Wikipedia, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so let's pull that. Now that can be whatever topic you want, okay? But for me, I've just used North Bay Plumbers just as an example. Okay, so it really couldn't find anything. So let's change that up. Let's just change that out about plumbing. Let's just change that up about plumbing and see if it'll pull. Okay, let's try this. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it's going to use that. So now we're going to say use CapCut to create a video. Give this a second to finish. This is so cool. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to say use CapCut plugin to create a video. Now it's going to use CapCut, the plugin we just downloaded, or we have installed, pardon me. Let's see if this works. So please provide the topic or content you want. Is the company, and we have a homeowner with a leaky kitchen faucet. Okay, so I've given them the company name. I've said that we've got a homeowner with a leaky kitchen faucet. And let's see now if it's gonna build out a video. And it'll build out a video. And then I'm gonna use Canva as my next step to create a thumbnail image for this, okay? Let's see if this will work. Waiting. I've created a video for you based on the topic, North Bay Plumbers, fixing a leaky kitchen faucet. In this video, you'll see a story of John, a homeowner, blah, 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 blah. So in a second, it's going to give us a link to this video. It blows me away, okay? You can view the video here. Okay, we'll do that in a second. And then I'm going to say, because I want to give it a minute. And then I'm just going to say, use Canva plugin to create a thumbnail image of the above, okay? Now, of course, the better your prompt, the better the output. So I just threw that in there. Like, this is pretty straightforward, but it gives you an idea. It's going to give you 2 or 3 different ideas, right? And no, it didn't get the names right. What I'm getting at is, if you were more specific with this prompt, you're going to get a better result. Let's go look at that video. Let's check out the video here. Give it a second. Loading video, 21%, 30%. I can pause the video, but you can also just fast forward the video as well. Okay. So you've seen the text I put in this. And here's the video that it creates that you can use wherever. I'm blown away by it. blown away by it.
Meet John, a homeowner who recently discovered a leaky faucet in his kitchen. Frustrated with the constant dripping sound and the potential water waste, he knew he needed professional help. That's when he called North Bay Plumbers, known for their expertise and quick service. Watch as the skilled technicians from North Bay Plumbers arrive at John's home, equipped with the right tools and knowledge.
You see what I mean, right? Like, it's just absolutely off the charts. So simply, you're going to use ChatGPT. You're going to download 3 free plugins, Wikipedia, CapCut, and Canva. And then you're going to go into ChatGPT and create your prompt of what you want it to be. Use CapCut plugin to create the video. You can be a bit more specific here. And use Canva plugin to create the thumbnail. It's as simple as that. And you can create content on an ongoing basis. All right, thanks.